Hi. It's been a really busy month. It's a new year, new me bullshit. This is Palm Springs, Indian Wells. I've been going non-stop since the second. I've been trying to put this video together this entire month. Fuck, this year sucks already. So this is the video that's supposed to be, it's supposed to be about how this year is gonna be different and blah blah blah, how I started some new life challenge with all my co-workers and we're all supposed to be fucking ripped and super physically healthy, and that is supposed to be a recap video on how crazy 2019 was, but my 2020's been so busy that I can't even make time to do this. I'm supposed to talk about a whole bunch of stuff about like stuff that's changed at home. Yeah, I don't know, I'm fucking tired. I guess I'm supposed to mention the breakup and how it's just me and Jasmine at the house now.
She totally just peed on her ball. Why? That's gross. I think it's just silly. Oh, man.
I should mention spending Christmas with my mom and one of my brothers. That was kind of fun.
Want any drinks? I could throw one in so you heat up or something?
Yeah, just one.
No, I ate a long time ago when I got home.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Also, I'm supposed to talk about things that happened throughout 2019. Like the time that Nick and I did an overnight load-in, just us two, and we got fucking weird and delirious. You're just recording.
I just want you to know, Eric, you're killing your mother. Let me sleep. Let me be. Let me tell you something. These guys are fucking cocksuckers. Do they have quick trips in this motherfucker? You know what I might end up doing tomorrow? Is taking 2:30. God damn it. Last Lico. Then we gotta take a picture at Guitar Center. Welcome to Guitar Center. Welcome to your mother's house.
I should also mention that during that time, there was 2 shows back to back and there was a lot to do in between. And I had also made Camilo cry and leave dinner during that time. Fun times.
Okay. Oh, and my backpack ripped. I gotta go buy a new backpack now. All my shit's in here. What the fuck am I gonna do? I've got a couple days off, just dark days. Here I gotta stop at FedEx, drop off 29 boxes, over $100,000 of camera equipment. I gotta find a laundromat. We got lots to do in these 2 days. It'll be fun.
Good morning. I told him I'm sneaking off to grab a tripod right now, but I'm really going to get coffee and a tripod.
Yeah. Here's our stage right here. Stage is already dropped. They weren't supposed to get dropped till noon.
We throw our help in with PSIV to kind of hurry up the process here.
What's up, man?
Hey.
GoPro?
Yeah. Hi. Part of my vlog. What?
It's a boring vlog.
Yeah, have you watched it?
No, I didn't know you
Oh,
had a
you
vlog.
suck. What do you want?
I want a passion iced tea.
I stay in a lot of nice places, but ultimately there's nothing like being home. Back and check on them. I mean, the license plate did say Utah, so could be from there. Hey, I know that place. Yeah. Kicking back at the beach, hanging out with my dog. I guess I should talk about all the places that I went to last year, which was pretty much everywhere. I'd like to take my drone out to a lot of places too, so I think I did that quite often as well. A rinse, wash, and repeat this year. Probably gonna go to a lot more places and work a hell of a lot more. And make some more stupid videos. I don't know. So, you know what? Hats off to 2019. I just needed to put something out. So, there. Man, my fucking head hurts.